2017 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 development truck. American Expedition Vehicles is mostly known for building some of the most badass Jeeps and Rams around. Models like the Brute, Recruit and Prospector are serious vehicles meant for off-roading and overlanding. While Love may have a history with Chrysler, for SEMA 2017 Chevrolet partnered with the off-road outfitter for the Colorado ZR2 AEV, a one-off concept fitted with just about everything one needs to tackle an overlanding adventure. In addition to Colorado ZR2 AEV, Chevy has rolled out a Colorado ZR2 race development truck. While the ZR2 AEV was made for overlanding, this second truck is all about high-speed desert racing. It has all the same suspension upgrades as the ZR2 AEV, retuned shocks, long travel leaf springs, etc., but adds a 1.5-inch body lift. The truck also gets skid plates for the rear shocks and rear diff. The driveshaft is now made of steel, and the wheels get new spacers and extended-length studs. There's a new intake and exhaust for the 3.6-liter V6. Both trucks get electronic locking differentials.